Hi friend, this is Sia and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Sia, and I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So in this video I am going to talking about how to overcome fear of English. Okay. So when we start our English journey, so we thinking lots about English. What we think that when we are speak English, first we are try to speak, and if we learn English, and when we speak in front of someone, so what about people think of me, and when I am speak in front of someone, so people laugh at me, and we if we think this kind of thoughts run in our mind, so we are not concentrate in our English journey. So if we not able to speak and we think like this, so it's really possible to we are fluent in this journey? No, we are not fluent if we think like this. First, forget about all the kind of things and don't scared of this language, because it's a language, it is not a subject. And someone not tell that you give this exam. No, you learn this language because you speak this language. And how do you think like this? First, you learn this language and you try to speak, because if you really get fluency in this language, so first you make sure that how to learn this language and make strategy. Okay, if you make strategy, so this language easy for you. So what you can do? Okay, first you can do, if you learn anything, so you focus on the topic and you stuck with this. If you if you seen English videos, so you seen English content, and if you have no English environment, so you can practice with native speaker. Okay, download some English application and you speak with them. If you speak with them, so you can find your mistake where you do mistake, and if you do mistakes, so they can correct you. Don't think about that if I'm speak in front of someone and they laugh at me, because they are native speaker, and if you speak with them, so they understand very well. You are beginner, that's why you talk with them. Okay, so don't think about that. Okay, and if you do mistake, so if then you speak next time, so you correct this sentence. Mistake is good, but again and again same mistake, it's not good. Okay, you first you mistake and then you correct this sentence. Okay, because if you are beginner and you can do mistake, so it's normal thing. Everyone when they are beginners, so they can mistake, it's normal thing. So don't think about mistake. Okay, and learn this type. And if you are beginner and your target is like 6 months and 1 year, and 1 month is you come 1 month you are completed, and then you celebrate. Okay, celebrate small thing, so this journey easy for you. Okay, what happened with us when we are beginner and think that we are get completely fluency, and then we speak with in front of people, and we whatever we can do in this language, then I'm get fluency, then I can do. We think like this, but don't do this. If you complete 1 month, you can celebrate. You can complete your 2 months is completed, so you can celebrate. So if you can do like this, don't think that I will fluent in this language and then I speak. No, small, if you celebrate small kind of thing, so you are happy and this journey easy for you. And don't think about negative thoughts, uh, because this journey is difficult if you think negative. Okay, so forget about negative thing and let's speak in English. Okay, you can speak yourself like this, okay? And focus on your journey. People, whatever people think and whatever people speak, forget about all the kind of, because it's your journey. And if you not do, so this journey is difficult for you, okay? So, and most important thing, guys, immerse yourself in English, okay? So if uh, if you practice like listening 5 minutes in English, so don't do this, okay? You think that I'm listening 5 minutes and I am get fluency as soon as possible, so it's not possible, okay? Immerse yourself in English, okay? Whatever time, whatever time free time in a day, so you can listen in English. Whatever content you listen only in English, okay? And practice most important role in this journey. If you not do practice, so this journey is difficult for you, okay? So practice as much as you can possible, okay? So how you can practice, like record yourself and see that where you do mistake, okay? If you find your mistake, so it's good for you. But if you not find your mistake, so you can practice with anyone who knows English. Because if you speak in front of people but uh, they are not know English, so how they can find your mistake? So you can speak with them like they know English very well, like a native speaker. Download English application and you can practice with them. Because if you not do this, so how can you find your mistakes? And if you like grow in this language, so it's very important for you. So practice very important, okay? So whatever time you have, you can practice with a native speaker. And friend, my last advice is that unlock your voice and build confidence, okay? If you speak you learn English and you are fluent in this English, but if you have not confident and you are shy, you think that I have no confidence and I am not speaking in front of people, so why you learn this language? And no benefit of this language if you not have confidence. So build your confidence. And how can confidence come? You are practice, okay? uh, First you record yourself, uh, and see that if you record first time, second time, third time, so you can see that changes, okay? Improve yourself. And if you practice like this, so slowly uh, you gain confidence, okay? So without confidence we are not survival in this journey. Because uh, all all the game is confidence. If we think that I'm not speak in front of someone, so there is no benefit for, and quit this journey, okay? If you not have confidence, because without confidence we are what we can do, nothing. So build your confidence. And you think that I when I'm start this journey and I'm not like this person and I am not change myself. But if you try, so you can change yourself and you build confidence. Because if you try, confidence gain again when you practice. So I am seeing lots of English learner. They speak that when we are start our English journey, so we are not confident person, and we lots of think in this journey how to build confidence, and we learn, and now we are speak very English and we are confident person. So confidence not gain in one day, okay? If you do practice like 6 months, 1 year, so one day you become confident person, and you are fluent in this language. So confidence is very important in this journey, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take